We say no to sitting in the chair for 4 hours. No to having our head yanked back, okay? No, I will not go to sleep and have a headache because I don't need to anymore. Why? Because it's a wig, sis. Period.
You are now watching Kyra Oriana.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Oriana, and you know I have a slay for you today. You know how much I love braided wigs, right? I had to give me another one, and this one's kind of different from all the other braided wigs I've done before because it's brown. Okay, if you've been on my channel for a while, you'll see that I always do braided wig reviews, but I have never done a color braided wig. So the wig was sent to me by WeQueen. I love the name of the company already because who's not a queen, okay? We all are queens. So the inside, it says affordable beginner friendly wig, and they are affordable. Make sure to check down below the description box so you can see it as well. And also there was a card in here and it said that you could win a free flat iron, so check that out. All right, but let me just show you all the wigs. I know you wasn't ready, baby. I know. Look at this color. We all know fall is coming up. So like the brown and like red undertones are so in right now. And then look how much this look like a scalp. Then look at this. Look at this scalp. It look like she just cut this off and then put it on some lace, okay? This is somebody's real hair because this just looked too realistic. And then on the inside you have, let me see, 2 clips at the top, an elastic band, and then 1 clip in the back. So I'm super excited to see what this will look like. I think first I need to put a little bit of the foundation on it, and then we gonna check it out. I'm just going in with my MAC. This is the color NW45. Now, what's different from all my other videos, usually if you've been here for a while, with my braided units, I usually don't talk. I just play that music, put it on my hair real quick, and then that's it. But I saw that a lot of you guys really want me to talk a little bit more, so that's what we're about to do. So I usually just brush it on there, make sure it's really like getting on the lace. You know, because we don't have time for somebody to clock us, okay? This is my hair. I went to the salon for this. People be nosy nowadays. They want to examine, look, all that. No, you trying to be in my business? Don't do that, okay? And let's see. Ooh. She cut this off Brandy's scalp, baby, because I am trying to figure out, like, these are like, okay, am I the only person who's still getting comfortable with braided wigs? Like, this is not, like, it's not new, but it's still, how are y'all doing this? Because it looks so realistic. I want y'all to see it up close and personal. The details, honey, the details. Yes. So, okay. Now, since, make sure it fits on your head, like this is super snug. And if you see me look down, that's because I'm looking at the mirror. All right. And then like legit, once you kind of have it where you want it, which is right here for me. And you know what? Look at the twist. Like this is so cute. I love the color. So what we're about to do right now, I'm going to use some glue. I think I'm going to use the Isha glue. And then we're just going to layer it real quick. And then we're going to, you know, get it going. So let me get that glue. And honestly, what I love about braided wigs is the fact that you could legit put it on and go. Like it is nothing to it. And I just hate, I'm not patient. So I hate sitting in the chair for hours. So yeah, the glue that we're about to use is Isha Luxury glue. And I am going to just layer it real quick. And you can use any adhesive that you would like to use, but I kind of like this one. I've been using it a lot and it just dries faster for me. So I seen them comments where you all was talking about I was being real like lazy when it came down to glue in my last braided video. So this time I came prepared. use a little popsicle stick. Okay, that's too much. Wait a minute. You're going to just apply a little around the perimeter. Actually, I'm gonna do a dot. There we go. Wait for it to dry. You know it's dry once it's like clear. What's that song by Brandy? Have you ever loved somebody so much to make you cry? I don't even need to cry, baby, because look at this. Laid. Like, stop playing with me. Now, even though you see a little bit of the glue right now, it's going to like dry eventually, and it will not be as white as it is now. And also you can take care of that with just water, so that's not an issue. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going in with the Smooth and Shine black seed oil and coconut oil mousse. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to just use this to pull the baby hairs back. Make sure I have all the information down below for you guys, but this is how long it looks on me, and I am 5'4". Okay, so now since we finished that, it's time to cut the lace off. Like, legit, this is without plucking. This is without baby hair. This is just bomb, y'all. And don't mind me if you see me wearing this in another video, okay? I color a wig burgundy copper for fall, so if you missed out on that one, that's being posted as well. Make sure to subscribe to see it. But yeah, y'all, that explains like the color on my arm and everything. But back to cutting this. Clip the rest of the hair so we could focus on the baby hairs. Right, and don't mind this, I had burnt myself trying to do some crimps, girl, but it's okay. So let me just go ahead and brush this hair out, the little baby hairs we have. This wig low-key got more baby hairs than me. Let me stop playing. And for the baby hairs, we're about to go in with the edge booster. Cause who ain't got edges? And then we're gonna add some makeup over it. And plus my forehead is shining, so we ain't got time for that. Let me see. Yeah, hit that forehead, sis. And maybe that nose too, because you never know. And them cheeks, okay? And we're good to go. Off camera, I put a little bit more makeup on it to get that white residue off. But sweetie, we're almost done. See, you thought I was gonna say we was finished, but we need to get this like flat. So I'm going to just flat iron it down real quick. Yeah. Flat iron this one down real quick. Melt it, honey. Get you a braided wig. It's time to invest in yourself. I honestly love every braided wig I have. I haven't sold them yet, which I probably we'll see. I really love braided units. It's so convenient for me. If I am about to go shopping and I know I ain't do my hair and I'm looking a hot mess, I'm gonna throw that braided wig on. Why? Because it's so easy for me to like put it on. And then look at how good it looked. Like, clock me if you want to, okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know. Comment down below. Like I say in every video, be the best you that you can be. Always strive for success, and I'll see you guys in the next one.